Alright, well I dropped the camera by accident, and I would have showed you unveiling this icy beast. I dropped it while picking it up from the side of the car. We had an ice storm, so everything's really slippery. Alright. Let's pull up the plow. Oh, no, it's not frozen. Get my butt wet. The tape's peeling, that's good. Damn. Oh, that's cold. Alright. Half throttle. Full choke, I haven't started it in a couple days. Button out. Let's try a new camera angle. Junk. Half choke. Choke's all the way in right now. Looks pretty good. It's almost warm. Engines warm up really quick. That's really good. So, over and out for the Cub Cadet.